Roxana, are you okay? Dizzy? So guys, don't worry. You will be understood.
그러니까 안에 점막도 다 붓고 많이 부은 상태라 한 달 정도까지는 좀 불편한데 좋아질 거예요.
I really like it right now.
Now I can take pictures and videos from this side, and I really like, so I will like even more after. Yes. But comparing the before and after picture, I could notice like, yeah, my nose was really deviated.
Hello everyone, this is Eugenia from Docfinderkorea. Now we are on the way to Banobagi to check on Roxana because her surgery is finished. And we already bought medication for her on the way to the clinic. And so let's go and see her. So Roxana will be staying tonight at the ward number 6. Clinic already prepared everything, so she just needs to move here from the recovery room. First of all, they have really comfortable bed for patients which can elevate your head over your heart level and which will help with the swelling. And also it has the locker here, and they have personal fridge in your room so you can keep your ice packs here too. And normally right after surgery when Roxana gets changed, they move all her clothes here, so when she comes everything is here prepared for her. And normally, like after rhinoplasty, clinics do not provide the ward, but if you want to stay over, you just let us know and we can talk to the clinic, but it will be like extra fee for that. They also have all necessary sensors here, so everything will be connected to the patient, so nurse over there can check on patient's condition all the time. So for patient's convenience, clinic prepared the list of common used phrases. So during the night, they can always call the nurse and show how they feel. For example, I cannot take painkillers anymore, or like anything else. Everything important all listed here. So guys, don't worry. You will be understood by nurse without any problem. Roxana, are you okay? Dizzy?
I can barely talk because my mouth is too dry.
Oh yeah, you just keep silent. This is eye packs for the chin, for the eyes, for the head, for everything.
Oh no, my eyes.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice rest. Don't forget to put on your ice pack. How are you?
I'm very swollen, as you can see. But overall, I'm fine. I have a little bit headache, but yeah, not too bad.
Did you take medication?
Yeah, I just take medication right now.
How's your throat? You said it was really dry yesterday.
It's a little bit better, but still like dry and sore. But better than at night.
What about the nose blocked? How do you feel about that?
The artery removed cotton inside the nose, but it's completely blocked right now, so I cannot breathe at all through my nose.
괜찮아요? 좀 많이. 네, 지금 이제 더 피가 나지는 않아서 이대로 조금 붓기 빠지면서 내려오는 거 보면 될 것 같거든요. 숨쉬기 불편한 거는 좀 가요. 붓기가 안에 점막도 다 붓고 많이 부은 상태라 한 달 정도까지는 좀 불편한데 좋아질 거예요.
Hi guys, I'm here at Banobagi. Today is my 7th day after my surgery. I'm here because I'm going to have my checkup. They're going to remove the cast on my nose, they're going to remove the stitches, and they're going to check on my condition and see everything is okay. It's going to be my first time seeing my nose after surgery, so I'm really excited. Right after the surgery, I had really bad dizziness, and the day after as well. So actually, I was feeling a little bit bad because of that. My surgery was on Thursday, and on Friday I get discharged in the morning, so I could rest a lot during the weekend, and on Monday I just went back to work like normally. So yeah, I think usually 1 or 2 days after surgery you will feel good enough to start doing like your normal life again. Right after surgery I couldn't breathe at all. My nose was completely blocked. It's true, like after surgery they put like some cottons inside the nose, but even after removing them, like yeah, my nose was completely blocked, like with a lot of mucus inside. So I've been like that for at least like 3 to 4 days after surgery. After that, I could start like breathing through my nose little by little. Now I can breathe like quite well. Still like having some mucus, like it's a little bit uncomfortable, but yeah, everything is okay. I think now I can breathe a little bit better than before surgery, but my nose is still swollen, so I think I will need to wait a little bit longer to really know like if my breathing is improved or not. About the pain, right after I woke up after surgery, I felt like a little bit of pain on my nose, but it was just like for a few seconds. Actually, after that, I haven't felt any pain at all in my nose. Literally any pain, anything. So that's really good. The only pain I had, it was more in my throat because I was under general anesthesia. They had to put like tube inside my throat. So right after surgery, my throat was really swollen. I could barely like swallow anything. So that was a little bit uncomfortable, but it started like to getting better like 2 to 3 days after surgery. Now my throat is completely fine. As you can see, barely I have bruising on my face. I had a lot right after surgery, but actually the recovery process for the bruising, it was like quite good. As you can see, like my face hasn't had any barely. About swelling, actually 1 day after surgery, the doctor told me like next day I will have like even more swelling. But luckily the day 2 after surgery, I already started to the swelling. My eyes were really swollen, but luckily I started like the swelling like quite fast compared with other part of the face, so that's really good. After a few days, I think 3 days or 4 days after surgery, my lower face started like to get more swollen because the swelling goes like down like from the upper part to the lower, so this area was a little bit swollen, but nothing like too big, just like a little bit. But I think now I don't have like any swelling on my eyes or face. Probably my nose is very swollen, but I cannot see it now because of the cast. After the surgery, my upper lip, this part here, I think it's a little bit numb and I cannot move like properly. Now I think I can move it like a little bit more than before, but yeah, don't freak out if you think you cannot move your upper lip like as was before, because it's completely normal after the rhinoplasty. So for some tips I can give you for faster recovery or easier recovery, is like try to walk a lot or much as possible after surgery. That will help you to dissolve a little bit faster. About bruising, actually it's just like something normal, so you can just let it like that, and the healing process, they will do their magic and just recover. Or you can buy bruise ointment in the pharmacy. Actually it's not expensive and it helps a lot. I use like after 3 or 4 days after my surgery, and it helps a lot, so you can do that. Also for sleeping, you have to sleep at least with 2 pillows, like keeping your head a little bit elevated. This also will help you with the swelling. Actually, you can wash your hair by yourselves, just avoiding to put any water on this area. For me, I tried, but it was a little bit difficult. I did it, but I felt like my hair was not really clean. So I just went to hair salon to have my hair wash, and I think that was a really good option. My lips were very dry after surgery because I had to keep breathing through my mouth. I just applied like lip balm on that day, so yeah, it got better after that. So yeah, let's go for the checkup. So now we are here in the 3rd floor. This floor is like where you have the treatment zones, like stitches removal or another kind of treatment. So now I'm waiting for them to call me and go to the room.
코가 조금 많이 휘어 있어서 이게 코만 똑바로 잡기는 어렵긴 한데 최대한 왼쪽으로 좀 가져왔거든요. 그래서 아직 이런 데가 붓기가 좀 있어서 붓기 빠지면 더 슬림해질 거예요, 코 자체는요. 여기도 지금 아직 매부리 제일 심했던 부분이 피부가 좀 부어 있어서 그렇게 보이는데 붓기 빠지면 이 부분 더 들어갈 거고요.
I mean, of course, it's still like swollen a lot, but yeah, the hump is not there anymore. So yeah, I love it. This part is even more swollen than the bridge one, but I really like the shape of my nose. But I will have to wait a little bit more to see how it looks. I really like it right now.
You like it?
Now I can take pictures and videos from this side, and I really like, so I will like even more after. Yes. So the treatment is finished already. As you can see, they removed everything in my nose already. I also received the swelling treatment. So actually it was not really painful when they removed the cast and the stitches. It was just a little bit uncomfortable. I also have the checkup with doctor. He told me like, of course my nose is really swollen right now, so I have to wait like until all the swelling goes down to see the final result. But overall, I think you can see the improvements right now. Like you can now see the hump. And also the doctor put this tape on my nose to make some pressure on my bridge, and I have to keep this tape for 1 week. Hi, today is my 1 month checkup after my surgery. Overall, everything was going really good. Now my nose is still a little bit swollen, but overall I think mostly of the swelling goes away already. Only like this part over here is a little bit more swollen, but of course for this part it usually takes much longer to diswell. But overall, like tip, bridge over here, everything diswell a lot. So I'm really happy with the result. I really like it. It's very natural. That is what I wanted. So yeah, everything is really good. So today we are here just for a routinary like checkup, like 1 month checkup to check with doctor like everything is okay. It's true, like if you're a foreigner and you travel to Korea only for have surgery and you travel to your country already, like you are not in Korea anymore, you don't have to worry about it, because if you have any problem or any discomfort or anything you want to ask to the doctor, then you can just contact Docfinderkorea, and then we will contact with the clinic, contact with the doctor and explain everything to them, and then we will answer you.
우리가 이쪽을 휜 느낌을 최대한 잡기 위해서 이쪽에 이식도 좀 해주고 코끝도 약간 왼쪽으로 잡아주기는 했어요. 근데 이제 얼굴 틀 자체가 약간 이렇게 기울어져 있는 거다 보니까 이것보다 더 똑바로 코만 보이게 하기는 사실 조금 어려운 부분이 좀 있거든요. 휜 코 느낌을 좀 줄이기 위해서 이렇게 지금 들어가 보이는 부분에다가 연고를 이렇게 좀 이식을 해 놓은 상태예요, 왼쪽에. 그래서 그게 아직 연골이 조금 단단하게 만져질 수는 있거든요. 근데 그거는 좀 이제 연골이 자연스럽게 흡수가 되고 하면서 좀 더 부드러운 느낌으로 바뀔 거예요. 옆에 매부리는 잘 다듬어졌거든요. 그래서 튀어나오는 물김이나 이런 것들은 매끈하게 붓기 빠지니까 더 좋아지고 있어요. 전체적으로 아직 이제 큰 붓기가 빠진 거라 잔붓기들 빠지고 나면 더 좋아져 보일 거고요.
So doctor explained to me like my nose was really deviated before, and it's not possible to correct that deviation 100%. If you come to Korea to fix your nose, the deviation of your nose, you have to keep that on mind. The doctor will correct much as possible, but it's not possible to correct 100%. I knew that from the beginning, but comparing the before and after picture, I could notice like, yeah, my nose was really deviated. Now it's much more straightened. It's not 100%, but I'm really happy because it looks much better than before. That's the purpose of me to having surgery, to improve that and also improve the hump. I think that's the part I'm most happy with it, because now my nose looks completely smooth. So I really love it.
Hello, this is Roxana and it's been 6 months since my rhinoplastic surgery at Banobagi Clinic, and here is the update. In the last 5 months, I haven't had any discomfort or any pain in my nose. I feel like I haven't had any surgery done. About swelling, I think all the swelling has goes down already. Maybe there's a little bit remain maybe on the tip area, but I think overall all the swelling like fade away already, so I'm really happy with that. About scarring, actually scarring, it was not something I was concerned about, but it healed really well. You can barely see now. If I do like close up, you can see like before there was like a red line over here, but now you can see like there's nothing. So I haven't had used any scar cream or anything, so actually I'm very happy because you can barely see. But for sure, if you use any scar cream after surgery, the results are going to be even better. I love the results. I was looking for something natural, that's why I chose Banobagi Plastic Surgery Clinic, and really I'm super happy. You can see like my nose looks really natural. If you compare with the before, you can see there's change of course, but it's not big change. Like it's not like my face changed completely. That's why I'm super happy. Regarding breathing, I think now I can breathe a little bit better than before. Before it's not like I had like very big difficulties with breathing, but I can feel it is improved a little bit. And I would like to give you some tips for your recovery after surgery. For sure, it's very important to try to walk a lot after surgery and do not stay in the bed or in the hotel room whole day. It's good to go outside and just take a walk and do a little bit light exercise. That really helps with the swelling and faster recovery. Of course, it's also important to eat healthy, drink a lot of water, and of course avoiding drinking alcohol or smoking. That's really bad for you, so you have to avoid doing that during 1 month after your surgery. And of course the best thing you can do is using Docfinderkorea services, because you will be accompanied all the time. We will be with you in all your medical appointments. We will provide you the medication, we will provide you the pumpkin juice that will help with the swelling. Also, we will provide the transportation for all your medical appointments. After surgery, I feel more comfortable with myself. Before, I hate this side profile of my face because of the hump I had. I felt like my face looked really weird, and now I don't feel it anymore. Before, I always had to pose like this with this side of my face, but now I don't care about which part of my face is showing on the camera, so I can do like this side of my face now, and I don't have complex about it. So I think my confidence increased a lot after surgery. Why to choose Korea to have plastic surgery done? I think this is really smart decision because in Korea there's a lot of experienced surgeons. In other countries that happens like one surgeon usually performs all kind of surgery, not only like eyes, nose, face, body, and they are not like specialized in one part of the body. But in Korea that never happens. Like usually if you are going to have like nose surgery like I did, it's a rhinoplasty doctor who is going to perform the surgery, and he's specialized in rhinoplasty. That means he's been performing that same surgery every day for 5, 10, even 20 years, depending on the experience of the doctors. So I think that's the really important thing about choosing like surgeons, about doctors. And Banobagi Plastic Surgery Clinic, they are the best. The clinic is really clean, new. They have all facilities you need for your surgery. Like the staff there is super friendly. They are really nice, and the doctor, he's really nice. He explained to you everything in detail. He will answer you all your doubts. So yeah, I recommend you to have plastic surgery with Banobagi Clinic like 100%. You may wonder how much a surgery like mine does cost, but it's not easy to provide like exact amount of money like you need to have for a surgery in Korea, like rhinoplasty in this case, because it depends on many factors. But part of our services is provided a detailed like quotation for you based in your personal features, and only for you. So if you want to know the price for the surgery you're looking for, you can just contact us in Instagram, in our email, or in our WhatsApp's number, and we can provide that specific quotation just for you, just for your case. So you will know exactly how much money do you need if you want to travel to Korea to have your plastic surgery done. And if you are wondering what do you need to provide us just to have the quotation, it's very easy. You only need to send us your face pictures, and then we will forward that pictures to our partner clinics, and they will provide that quotation only for you. Also, we have a lot of different discounts for you, and also you can claim the 7 to 8% tax refund once your surgery is finished at the airport before you go back to your country. So I want to thanks to Banobagi Plastic Surgery and Dr. Yu for the wonderful job they did on me. I'm really happy with the results, and for the rest of you guys, I will see you next time in the next video. Bye!